Was a test of the public warning and alarm transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from Ruskin, Florida. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder.
I can't tell if he went off or not.
Will alert only a county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 and noon, and again between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m., unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Can't believe that thing failed. Also, it's 7:15.
For this evening is at 5 p.m.
They tested at 7:15.
Today's high temperature was 88 degrees.
Literally, it's gonna be like 1 a.m. when this test expires.
The record high is 94 degrees.
Other than that, a normal test.
Today's low temperature was 73 degrees.